Introducing Samsara. Have you ever wondered about the future of travel? Imagine a future in which your luggage is constructed from the same material as airplanes, supercars, and yachts. Inspired by leading manufacturing breakthroughs, we created the first aluminum alloy smart suitcase. We live in a world of continuous movement. Creativity is everywhere, and we are no longer limited by geographic boundaries. We developed a user-friendly mobile application that connects to sensors within the suitcase. These sensors notify you if the suitcase leaves your presence or was opened out of eyesight. Our application will also allow you to control the LED light within the suitcase, which will assist you in the dark, and monitor the battery life powering your Samsara. The hardware will enable you to charge your electronic devices via USB-C cable. It will also allow you to charge your mobile device up to 10 times. Our team of engineers and designers created our patented product for maximum durability, so your Samsara will endure the test of time. Our luggage has a sleek, ergonomic design with a flat top that allows you to work and stay connected, no matter where you are. Our unique wheel design maximizes packing space and allows you to move effortlessly across any surface. We thought of you, our user, while designing this one-of-a-kind item that links classic style with cutting-edge technology. Imagine opening your suitcase and finding your travel necessities built into the product, including convenient packing bags, toiletry bag, garment bag, and even a compact gym bag if you work out on your trip. We chose natural aviation aluminum to keep the suitcase extremely lightweight and strong for an easy journey. Samsara's forward-looking creative team collaborated to rethink the essence of travel, specifically for your needs. Samsara means continuous movement, and we ask you to join us for this exciting journey and support the creation of a new and better way to travel.
Right now we're going to be going through the feature set of the Trade Carry-On, our hard shell luggage program from Herschel Supply. Travel is something that's very near and dear to Herschel Supply, and it's something that we find most of our inspiration from when we're on the road. The Trade Carry-On is one of our favorite go-tos because it basically can be brought onto any airline worldwide. It comes with a really nice durable external hard shell full molded exterior. Comes with TSA locks on the side so you can keep all your belongings safe, as well as allowing TSA to examine your bag if need be. We have rubber embossed diamond as well as the rubber embossed logo detail from Herschel. You have two ways to carry the product or even get it into the overhead bin. It's got neoprene handles on the top as well as the side. If you're pushing it into an overhead bin, it gives you really nice two carry options. It has nice dual stage retractable handle, so you can carry whether it's being carrying upright or you're dragging it along. It gives you really nice two carry options. It has multi-directional 4-spinner wheels, so anywhere you're going to pull this bag, it's going to go. As we get inside the Trade Carry-On, we're going to see some of the details inside. And ultimately, giving you two compartments. You have garment straps on this compartment to strap your garments in, as well as you have a mesh pocket on the other side. We have the black and white striped liner, so giving it really nice, clean attention to detail, as well as hiding any of the trolley device. Whether you're traveling constantly or just going on 1 or 2 trips a year, the Trade Carry-On is an awesome choice for carry-on travel.
With baggage fees going through the roof, it is crucial to have a great carry-on bag because this is going to save you a ton of money when you travel. And just think about it. If you pack only one bag, on average, that's $50 round trip. Well, meet the Genius Pack Aerial Spinner. And true to its name, this guy is genius. Now the exterior is very chic and on trend. I personally am in love with the crisp white against the black with the sleek gunmetal hardware. Now you may have noticed that all the big celebrities are carrying hardside luggage. That's everyone from Jessica Alba to Kate Bosworth and even Gigi Hadid. Because not only does it look extremely stylish, but what makes hardside luggage so appealing is that it's very lightweight, it's extra durable, and it's super easy to keep clean. But it's the interior that really sets this carry-on apart, because it's very cleverly designed to truly maximize space. I can pack up to 2 weeks worth of clothes in this bag, including 3 pairs of shoes. So 90% of the time, I don't ever have to check my luggage. So on this side, I keep my shoes, toiletries, and makeup, and then on this side, I keep my garments. Now I love this strap because it firmly compresses my clothes so I can fit even more. And because it keeps them from moving around, it also minimizes wrinkling. And as I wear my clothes, this side becomes its own secluded laundry hamper to keep the clean ones separate from the dirty ones. Now these organizational compartments are great. They are made of a specialized mesh that expands, and you're not going to believe how much you can fit inside. There's even a specially designed pocket to organize your tech gear. But it's all the little things that take this bag over the top. It's got an aluminum telescoping handle, wheels that are ultra smooth and spin a full 360 degrees, and the fact that the exterior is both stain and scratch resistant. Now this is a carry-on that checks all the boxes, because not only does it hold a ton, but you get to be really organized when you travel, and best of all, you get to look really chic.